Begin at the start, with the establishment of the colony of New South Wales in 1788. Initially, the economy was primarily agrarian, but the discovery of gold in the mid-19th century sparked a gold rush that brought wealth, immigrants, and a shift towards a more diverse economy. Fast forward to the 20th century, Australia faced the Great Depression. Despite the economic hardship, Australia managed to recover, largely thanks to a series of reforms and the outbreak of World War II, which stimulated the manufacturing industry. Later, in the 1980s, a series of economic liberalisation reforms were introduced. These reforms included the floating of the Australian dollar and the deregulation of the financial system, which significantly changed the face of Australia's economy. The turn of the millennium brought with it a resource boom, driven by demand from emerging economies, particularly China. This led to a period of strong economic growth, which continued until the global financial crisis of 2008. However, Australia weathered the crisis relatively well, avoiding a recession largely due to its robust banking sector and demand for resources. Most recently, in response to the COVID-19 pandemic, the Reserve Bank of Australia has implemented a quantitative easing program and kept its cash rate at a record low of 0.1% for the sixth consecutive meeting as of June 2023. Despite a strong economic rebound, rates are expected to remain at this level until mid-2023, with the RBA stating that it will not raise rates until inflation is within its target range of 2–3%. In summary, Australia's economic history is a tale of resilience and adaptability, marked by periods of boom, moments of crisis, and strategic reforms. From the gold rush of the 1850s to the economic liberalisation of the 1980s, and the more recent challenges posed by the global financial crisis and the COVID-19 pandemic, Australia's economy has demonstrated remarkable flexibility and strength. Today, Australia stands as a high-income economy, with a strong emphasis on the service sector, although its resource sector remains significant. The future, as always, remains uncertain, but if the past is any guide, Australia's economy will continue to adapt and evolve in response to global economic trends and domestic challenges.